G'day team, welcome back to another offset account video, and today we're going to go through our final type of example where we go partway through our loan, but our offset isn't in there for the remainder, it's only in there for a short term. Now typically that short term will be 1 month, but there have been questions that crop up that have been 4 years or 3 years, so just be mindful of that, but the same processes apply. So let's have a look at the context. So Johnny has obtained a $200,000 home loan. The interest rate for the loan is 7.1% per annum compounded monthly over 25 years, and wants us to calculate the monthly repayment. So we know how to do that super easily. PMT is a question mark. We've got 25 years times by months. Interest rate of 7.1%, a $200,000 loan. We want $0 remaining in our account. And we've got months, just like that. So our PMT is equal to minus 1426.34 or $1426.34 per month. So that is how much per month Johnny has to pay. So the next question, calculate the balance of the loan after 2 years. So 2 times 12, 7.1%, $200,000. We've got minus 1426.34 from the question above. We want to calculate the future value and we are still working in months. So my future value is approximately 193.18 So that is my balance after 2 years. So after the 2 years, Johnny gets a bonus from work for $45,000. He puts that money into an offset account for 1 month while he decides what to do with it. Calculate the interest that Johnny saves during this 1 month by depositing the money in the offset account. Now, to find the interest saved over 1 month, we have the interest rate of the account divided by 12 for the monthly interest rate. And then we also have this divided by 100 on the bottom here, which turns it into a decimal. So it turns a percentage to a decimal. And we take that value and times it by our offset. So I've got 7.1 divided by 12 times 100 times by $45,000. Now that is equal to $266.25. So that is how much interest Johnny saved during that 1 month. All right. So calculate the outstanding balance of the loan at the end of the month. So obviously we've had 1 month of payments and interest earned and saved. We want to calculate how much is in the account and how much is owing at the end of that month. So to do that, we take the balance after the 2 years, we add the interest paid during the month, and we take off the PMT. So the balance after 2 years, how much we had to pay in interest in that month, minus our monthly payment. Now the interest paid per month is the balance after 2 years, minus the offset times by that monthly interest rate. So let's plug all of our numbers in. So the balance after 2 years was $193,753.18. So we're adding on, we've got the balance after 2 years, so 193,753.18 again, minus 45,000 for my offset, times by 7.1 divided by 12 times 100 for my monthly interest rate, and minus my PMT 1426.34, and the balance ends up being 193,206.96. So that is how much money is in my account at the end of the loan, and that also becomes my PV for the remainder of the loan at this point in time. So how long will it take Johnny to repay the remainder of the loan? Will it, not will it. So we want to work out how long. My interest rate is still 7.1. My PV currently now is this value here. So 193,206.96. 1426. PMT has stayed the same, so 1426.34. We want future value to be 0, and we're still working in months. So it takes approximately 274 months to pay the remainder of the loan. The final part of this question is to find the total interest Johnny will save by making that deposit for that 1 month. So we need our trusty N1 take N2 times PMT. Now, we're not subtracting the offset amount off the end because we have taken that money back out of the offset account. So in this case, N1 is equal to 300. N2, we've actually got 3 parts we need to consider. So we've got 2 years before we put the money in. We've got 1 month of the money being in the offset account, plus the 274 that it takes to pay off the rest of the loan. So that is 299. So using this equation, 300 take 299 is just 1 times by my PMT 1426.34. So that is just $1426.34 worth of interest saved by depositing the offset money into the account for 1 month. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.